How to copy comments on YouTube mobile. Hey everyone, in this tutorial I'll show you guys a quick and easy way to copy comments on YouTube. So the first thing you have to do is open up YouTube application on your phone and go to the comment section where you want to copy the comments from. So if I just go ahead and open up any kind of video here, so let me just quickly open this. So what I'm going to do here is simply go to the comment section. And as you can see here, there are a lot of comments. If I try to copy this comment and long press on it, there is no option to copy this. And even if I tap on the three lines, you can only share this, report the comment, or just save it. There is no option to copy. So one of the best ways to copy the comments is just by taking a screenshot. And once you take the screenshot, you can edit the picture. So if you click on this edit button, and then just go ahead and shrink it down only so that the comment section is visible. Tap on it and then tap on this download button. Once you have downloaded it, you could just open up the image. Alright, so once that is done, in modern smartphones, you can see this eye icon or the text reading message. So if you tap on this, you should be able to copy text and extract it from the image. So here I've tapped on the T icon at the bottom right corner, and now I can just long press on the text and then just select the text like so. Copy it, and you can paste it anywhere you want. So let me just go ahead and open up my WhatsApp, go to the chat where I want to paste it. I'm going to paste it right here, and I'm going to send it like so. But in some cases, you might not have this feature. So in that case, you are going to have to go to Google Chrome or any other browser. Simply search for image to text converter. Now click on the first link and just upload the image right here. So click on browse. I'm going to continue with media picker. So here I've selected the image and then tap on. Now you can just go ahead and click on convert and it will automatically convert your image. That's pretty much it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful. I'll see you guys on the next one. Thanks for watching.